Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download HP laptop EliteBook Ultra G1i 14. So you can see open any browsers to type Google search box like that. Okay, and then go to this first URL of HP officially website support.hp.com. Okay, you that come. This is your laptop. Choose your operating system, which is using Windows 10 or 11. If you don't know, you can install any. It will be supported both Windows 10 and 11. So guys, you can see the BIOS, diagnostic, rock and all driver is required and unrequired driver both available. Okay, so if you install only driver, so that means install the audio driver. First audio, select this. First of all select it, then I tell you how to install. Okay, so this is chipset. So chipset, try this one. Okay, select this, then graphic only one, select, minimize, keyboard, mouse. So fingerprint driver, touch and fingerprint driver, select this. Then network, so Wi-Fi and Bluetooth both required. So which is you selected all driver, you can see here. So which is just one click to download all driver. Okay, so you click on that. After that start one by one all driver. So all driver installations process same. You just single click this setup, then click to yes, and the next I accept, then next and finished. After that you restart your system, which is you require driver is fulfilled for your laptop, then check it. Thank you so much.